is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you again for tuning in, and welcome to another video. Let's get right to it. As you can tell, we are swapping out the e-brake handle, the plastic or faux leather wrapped e-brake handle for the carbon fiber Alcantara one. So I purchased this through AutoTalent. I had not bought from them before, but I have a bunch of buddies, people in my group that do a lot of purchasing through them. They were great. They shipped out very quick, and had an aggressive sale going on. So the one I went with is AUTOTECKNIC. It is the carbon fiber Alcantara one. Normally it goes for like somewhere between 100 and 110 bucks. Most times throughout the year people will have a year-round sale, which it's like mid-90s, low 90s. This was like aggressively on sale, and then I found a coupon code and got this shipped to my door for under 75 bucks. So not bad. So that is what we're putting in. So yeah, really a pretty good deal if I have to say so myself. So let's get right to it. I always talk about how this is going to be a fun, simple, easy mod, and I'm going to tell you this is going to be a fun, simple, easy mod. If you don't believe me, just take a quick glance down below at the bottom left corner of your screen and you'll see how short this video is. So don't skip forward because you're going to miss it. All you need is some snips to cut a zip tie, then you're going to need your new zip tie, and then you're going to need a trim removal tool. Some people don't even use that. Let's get in the car, let's get to it. Alright, so first things first, once you're in the car, we just have to get this boot off, which is just held in with a couple clips. So some people just use their fingernails. If you have a trim removal tool, it'll make your life a little bit easier. So I'm just going to take this, lift up on the corner here, and once you kind of get it, just work your way around. And there you go. So that is just held up with two clips on this side, and two clips on that side. Now, this is up in its fully locked position. We're going to push this down and pull out pretty aggressively on this handle. Woo! Man, that took some force. Ain't gonna lie about that. Alright, now, man, that takes some muscle. Okay, now that this is out, we're just going to kind of invert this here. And once you invert this, you will see that what is securing the e-brake handle is just a simple zip tie. If you guys can see that, just a simple zip tie. So that's when we're going to take our snips and just kind of carefully get under there. Alright, took that off. Boom. And take our new one and slide that in there, and just try to get it lined up kind of flush, and you will definitely see indentation marks from where the previous zip tie was secured. So that's all we're going to do, is just kind of get that nice and flush like the previous one. Get our new zip tie. The OEM boot and the OEM zip tie, they had the little nubbin here. This little nubbin goes on the bottom, so you really can't see it or feel it. If you put it on the side, left or right or the top, you're gonna see a little, protrusion in the leather from this little nubbin sticking out, so they kind of hide it right here. So that's a little tidbit. Alright, so I got that little nubbin right on the bottom there, so you will not be able to see it. At this time, we can get our snips, cut the excess off this zip tie here. Pew! So that's how that looks, and then we're just going to simply pull through. Like that. And like I said, perfectly on the bottom. Can't obviously feel it, but when you do have it, you would be able to feel just a little bit of it, but that will be on the bottom, like I said. So, to insert, there are these two tabs on the back. We're going to put that in first. So you slide it in, these two clips are going to kind of bend up, and then we should be able to push down. So we're going to put that there. These back clips, we're going to make sure that they go in first. And the other ones should be able to click in. And then we just slide this all the way down. There we go. And that's it. And we are done. Looks good, feels good, especially right next to this area. All right, let's get those beauty shots real quick. Loving this interior more and more. It is just, I mean, this whole center console area right now is just everything. It just flows, and it looks so much better than this wannabe fake faux leather wrapped plastic e-brake handle. Anyway, I am digging it. These have been some awesome interior mods, and spoiler alert, the carbon fiber is not going to stop. It's a new addiction. Anyway, if you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, definitely leave a comment. If you haven't done already, please subscribe. I will catch you guys next time. Out.